there's 10 questions. So when the person answers, like there's 4 choices for each question. And then when the person answers one question, it adds up to a score, and then like after the 10 questions is over, you get a score, like an outcome of your 10 questions. It shows like how environmental friendly you are currently. And then there's another section of the project where it shows like what is each answer, how much it contributes to the environmental, like how much carbon dioxide it uses, or on a whole it shows like how good it is on a scale of 1 to 4. So the next thing is my target audience. My target audience would be like everyone, because like global warming is for everyone. It's like everyone is affecting it. So everyone is the target audience. But basically, I wanted to do something more of like concentrate, because like this project can be done on a very big scale. I wanted to do it smaller and make it, because I'm only one working on it, I wanted to concentrate on only one section of the whole thing. So I decided I'll be doing it for students, because like my audience are students currently. So something like for the students, like just like questions for the students which they should consider. So the research process, it wasn't very difficult for me, because like there's so many things that's happening. Like everyone's talking about global warming nowadays, so the internet has lots of resource for me, so I didn't have any trouble. So about my plan development process, like how it went through, it's all in the shown here. The theme of my project is like it's because I'm focusing on students. It's more trendier, and it's a little elegant and trendy. It's like not traditional or anything like that. My method of distribution of my product is gonna be like through CDs and web. But for now, I did it only in the CD. Something you could easily, something like that, and then you could easily distribute it to students around the university or somewhere. And I got some content and my resource software I used to do the project, Photoshop CS4 and Flash CS4. These are the 2 softwares I use, and Illustrator too. So my project, this is my project. Start with the intro. So in this page, it's like it gives you a note about the quiz. Like the quiz consists of 10 questions, and the reason why the questions are about is like simple things that you could, the simple things you're doing in your everyday life that contribute to a great deal to the global warming issues. So the aim of the project is also mentioned here, is that at the end of the quiz you should be aware of how environmental friendly you are, and how you can improve your environmental friendliness. So if you start your quiz, so here you have a button and you roll over and change it to color. Start, and then you have the first question over here, and then four choices for you. So it's just you have to answer the question. It's like the first question is like if you're buying your bulb for your study table, which kind of bulb would you buy? These are things like everyone, like every student should consider, because like it's a big deal. Like when it comes to global warming, which bulb you use is a big deal. So these kind of content is what I put in. So like you answer every time you roll over and you just answer. So there's like 10 questions. You keep answering all the 10 questions. Randomly, I'm doing it now, but it has to be done like you read it and then you do the 10 questions.
So how many questions you have?
10.
No, I mean you said it's randomly. present asking each person for
randomly in the
10?
sense like I'm answering the questions right now randomly,
Alright.
but there's only 10 questions.
Oh, okay.
It
So
could be
you
done
random
on-
the order.
No. It's just 10 straight questions, like goes on a straight order.
But what you random?
Random is like right now I'm answering it randomly. I'm not reading it.
Okay. And how you come up with those questions? It's from researchers or?
Yeah, it's like from research, and basically most of the content is from the website of the movie, the Inconvenient Truth.
Oh, okay.
It's like in the website, it gives the information like
Right.
simple things you should be doing. It talks to everyone. So
Right.
I got most of my information from there.
Alright.
Some of it from research from YouTube and other things. So this is the last 10th question. So after I answer that, here it shows like it comes up with a results page. It shows like your environmental friendliness to the environment is like in points you get 33 points out of 40. So how the system works is like each answer in the four answers has like the top answer has 4 points, in order to the last one has 1 point.
Okay.
So why I gave 1 point and not 0 is because like it's not like a completely bad thing, but you do something good by it also. So it's like it's not a 0, you get a 1 for it.
Right.
So there is no way you'll get a 0 in this project. It's like the least you'll get is like 25%, and the next is the percentage. It shows the percentage. And then there's like, if you want to be more environmental friendly, what you could be doing. So there's the learning section it takes you to. And then you could test again on that's the page. So if I test again, it will go to the first page and start from.
But when you test again, it will come up with the same question or different?
With the same question.
With the same question.
Yes.
Okay.
It's because like the reason for the test again is because like after you do the learning thing, and then it's like maybe
you could
improve and see like, okay, did you understand or not? So if you click like to learn, and then it's like it's the green learning, it's just the title again, and then the note is like in the section is very simple. It's like you roll over the answer, and then it will pop up with the environmental friendliness of the answer. So if I start, it's like for the regular bulb, if I roll over, it shows like it shows in the bulb. It shows the bulb, and then it shows like it's like 2 points. So if you roll over the fluorescent light, it's like it's the best. It's what you should be buying for your.
So it's when you do it again, right? It asks you the same question and the same order.
Yeah, indeed, like you don't answer anything, but you just like to roll over and know the facts about the answer.
Okay,
like,
very good.
It's just real products, like so they're not bad. So there's no point saying that this is bad, but just shows like this is like so many percentages. It's good and just so many.
You should write that to our call and maybe send the software for him. You know, maybe he will like it.
One thing I wanted to do in this was like animate this part of the thing, like when
maybe even more interesting.
Yeah, but I couldn't do it because like I tried saving it as a GIF and then in a rollover image. I tried it, but it didn't work.
But this one is Flash, right?
Yeah,
you're working on Flash.
The whole thing I did it on Flash.
But can you make it as a movie clip instead of GIF?
Yeah, but it goes inside the button. So that way, sometimes it doesn't work. Like inside the button, it goes to a movie clip on a rollover stage. So it's pretty complicated. It is possible. I'm not saying it's not.
I think it's possible.
But just that for me, I couldn't do it yet.
All right.
And one thing is like this. I've never used Flash before. So
you have a project with you?
The project file? Yeah, sure.
All right. Okay. Yeah, we'll discuss about that.
Sure. So,
thank you very much.
And then you go to the next question. And when you go to the 10th question, and then it's like test again, and it goes to the start, and then that's how the project works.
Okay, that's good.
Thank you.
Yep. All right. Okay, thank you very much.